Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I would like to discuss with you a very simple topics about custom authentication. By default, Apex application uses a built-in authentication scheme to identify the user's identity. Go to the components to create our custom authentication schemes. To do so, we need a custom table to containing the user informations. Here I have already created my custom table to contain the user information named app user app underscore user, and here some user, and here is the encrypted password. Click create to create the custom authentication uh, schemes based on pre-configured scheme. Click next. Here input your custom authentication name, custom login, scheme type change, it's always customs. Input here the login name, and in the source option here you need to write the function for authentication. This function needs two parameters, or you can add more parameters as per your needs. But two parameters are mandatory. First one is the username, is for password. Return type must be boolean. Create authentication schemes. Now it need to make the current authentication scheme. Then select it and make current schemes. Now try. It's working. Now I am going to insert a new user. Here we are going to insert encrypted password. To encrypt the password, we need to use a hash functions. By default, Apex provide a function to encode the text. Here provide the username, then comma, then input the password. Basically password is 123, and Here input null parameter. It's one reinserted. Yeah, this is the user ID. It's still invalid because we need to change our yeah, comment it, and we will create a new one. Name and use that built-in function because we are inputting the normal text into the password field, but we store the password into the database as a encrypted text. That's why when authenticate we pass the converted text into the process. First one is username, and third one was null. Addition successful. Then let's try. We have made some mistake into the authentication scheme because here passing as an uppercase, but we not capture this thing into custom login process here. Now working, but there is a little bit limitation to declare the custom login function here. If we use custom authentication in multiple application, we need to declare multiple times this function into the authentication. But if we create this function into the database level, then we no need to declare multiple times. Now I am going to create this function into the database. Now we call this function here. Here no PSQL code here. Apply changes. Yes. Then processed. Now try. It's working also. If we create another application and also custom authentication for this application, custom, only call that function here. and make it current screen. Yes. Now we need to change the authentication process, the login page. Change it, execute code. Yes, login. This is the benefit of declaration the login functions into the database level. We declare once and use multiple times. That's it. If found helpful, please likes, comments, shares, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.